One special kind of rate that we're often interested in is the unit price. A unit rate is a unit price if the dependent quantity is a price. So if we're looking for a rate in dollars per item, for example, that would be a unit price. So just as an example, suppose I buy a dozen, 12 eggs for $3.60. What is the unit price? Well, the rate, right, the rate of cost, since it's a unit price, we want the amount of money to be the dependent quantity, the number of eggs to be the independent quantity. Our answer is going to be in dollars per egg. And to find out how many dollars per egg, we'll just do this division. So 12 goes into 3, not at all. Into 3.6, I think 3 times, right? 12 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1, 3. Yeah, 3. Nothing left, but I'll fill in the extra 0 because we're talking about money. $0.30 per egg, or we could report this as 30 cents per egg, if we'd rather. That's all there is to unit price. One thing to note, when talking about money, we often round to the nearest cent, and of course a cent is 1/100th of a dollar. So we like to report 2 digits after the decimal point in money. Not always the case. Sometimes we like to talk about a fraction of a cent, like that little 9 you see at gas stations. That's 9/10ths of a cent. Or sometimes 2 unit prices are really, really close and we want to compare them, so we carry an extra decimal place. And then on the other hand, sometimes we're talking about a lot of money, and it makes more sense to round to the nearest dollar or even to the nearest $1,000 or something like that. But if you have no reason to do otherwise, you should always round money to the nearest cent. So let me give you an example to try. Suppose Boffo's Joke Emporium sells stick-on warts in packages of 18 for $2.70. What is the unit price? Pause the video and try this now. All right, so we want to write our answer in dollars per mole. The number of moles is our independent quantity. The price is our dependent quantity. So to get dollars per mole, we just do this division. 18 goes into 2, no. Into 27 once. Into 90, I'm going to guess 5. So that's right. Nothing left over, so it turns out I didn't have to round. $0.15 per mole, or 15 cents per mole.